Radhe Krishna friends, we are starting the new video and today we are learning about logic gate. Logic gate is an elementary building block of a digital circuit. Most logic gates have two input and one output. At any given moment, every terminal is in one of the two binary conditions, low is 0 or high is 1. Represented by different voltage levels. In most logic gates, the low state is approximately 0 volts and while the high state is approximately 5 volt positive. Next is basic logic gate. There are 7 basic logic gates are AND, OR, XOR, NOT, NAND, NOR and XNOR. And we start AND gates. An AND gate will give a high output only if all of the inputs are high. For example, in a simple lighting circuit with two switches in series, the lamp will light only if both switches are pressed. And gate truth table is this, and this is diagram. AB input and Q is output. OR gate truth table and this diagram. And OR gate will give a high output if any of the input is high. For example, in a simple lighting circuit with two switches in parallel, the lamp will light if either switches is parallel. NOT gate truth table, this one, and diagram. The digital logic NOT gate is most basic of all the logic gates and is sometimes referred to as a inverting buffer or simply as digital inverter. NAND gate truth table. The NAND gate is like NOT AND gate, has an output that is normally at logic level 1 and only goes low to logic level 0 when all of its input are not logic level 1. The logic NAND gate is the reserve or complementary form of the AND gate we have seen previously. And this logic NAND gate equivalence to input AND gate plus this one NOT gate. NOR gate truth table we can see and diagram. This is a NOT OR gate which is equal to an OR gate followed by NOT gate. The output of all NOR gates are low if any of the inputs are high. The symbol is an OR gate with a small circle on the output. The small circle represents inversion. EXOR is stand for exclusive OR gate truth table. This one diagram. The exclusive OR gate is a circuit which will give a high output if either but not both of its two input are high. An encircled plus sign is used to show EOR operation. EXNOR exclusive NOR gate truth table. The exclusive NOR gate circuit does not opposite to EOR gate. It will give a low output if either but not both of its two input are high. The symbol is an EXOR gate with a small circle on the output. The small circle represents inversion. And here we see summary of logic gate, AND gate, OR gate, NAND gate, NOR gate, NOT gate, EOR gate, ENOR gate. NOT gate table input is like, and these all are in one table. Outputs. Time division multiplex. Time division multiplex is a method of putting multiple data streams in a single signal by separating the signal into many segments. each having a very short duration. Each individual data stream is resembled at the receiving end based on the timing. The circuit that combines signals at the source and of a communication link is known as multiplexer. It accepts the input from each individual end user, breaks each signal into segments, and assigns the segments to the composite signal in a repeating sequence. The composite signal thus contains data from multiple senders. At the other end of the long distance cable, the individual signals are separated out by means of a circuit called a demultiplexer and routed to the proper end user. A two-way communication circuit requires a demultiplexer at each end of the long distance high bandwidth cable. We can understand to stop the video and read twicely. Time division multiplex continue. It many signals must be sent along a single long distance line. Careful engineering is required to ensure that the system will perform properly. An asset of TDM is its flexibility. The scheme allows for variation in the number of signals being sent along the line and consistently adjust the time interval to make optimum use of the available bandwidth. The internet is a classic example of communication network in which the volume of traffic can change drastically from hour to hour. In some systems, a different scheme known as frequency division multiplex (FDM) is preferred. Frequency division multiplex. Frequency division multiplex is a scheme in which numerous signals are combined for transmission on a single communication line or channel. Each signal is assigned a different frequency within the main channel. This is the complete information about logicgate and its uses. And all the friends, please like my video and subscribe. And thanks for watching my video. Thank you, friends.